There are players who rely on speed, others rely on strength. And then there is Themba Zwane, a man who relies on understanding. He does not fight the game, he reads it. While others sprint, he glides. While others force moments, he waits for them to ripen. The pitch under his watch feels calmer, as if chaos lowers its voice out of respect. Zwane doesn't dribble to embarrass. He dribbles to unbalance, a soft touch, a subtle turn, a body shift so smooth it looks accidental, until a defender is left behind and the space opens like a door he knew was there all along. He plays between lines the way poets play between words. There is intelligence in every movement. He knows when to slow the tempo and when to quicken it, when to carry the ball and when to release it, when to shoot with conviction and when to slip a pass so delicate it feels like a secret shared only with a teammate. He doesn't dominate with noise, he dominates with clarity. Big matches do not intimidate him, they reveal him. In tight moments when others rush decisions, Zwane becomes even more composed. The goal that settles nerves, the assist that changes momentum, the touch that reminds everyone watching that football at its highest level is about control, not chaos. Some players are athletes, some are entertainers. Themba Zwane is a conductor. And when he lifts his head and the ball rolls under his command, the game does not feel hurried. It feels understood.